Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered where all those twinkling lights came from? What are stars really? And how did they even get there? Well, the story of a star is one of the most epic tales in the universe, and it all starts in the quiet, cold darkness of space. Imagine vast, colossal clouds of gas and dust, just floating around. We call these nebulae. They're so huge they make our solar system look like a tiny speck. Over millions of years, something amazing happens. Gravity, the same force that keeps your feet on the ground, starts pulling these clouds together. As the cloud collapses, it gets denser and hotter at its core. Think of it like pumping a bicycle tire. The more you compress the air, the warmer the pump gets. This process continues for a very, very long time. The core gets hotter and hotter, reaching millions of degrees. Eventually, it becomes so incredibly hot and dense that a process called nuclear fusion ignites. This is the moment a star is born. In this fiery furnace, hydrogen atoms are smashed together to create helium. This reaction releases an enormous amount of energy, which pushes outward and balances gravity's inward pull, allowing the star to shine steadily for billions of years. But the story doesn't end there. As a star gets older, it starts fusing heavier elements. After turning hydrogen into helium, it begins to fuse helium into carbon, then carbon into oxygen, and so on. In the most massive stars, this process continues, creating elements like neon, magnesium, silicon, and finally, iron. Everything up to iron on the periodic table is forged inside these stellar factories. So when you look at your own body, the carbon in your cells, the oxygen you breathe, the calcium in your bones, almost every element was created in the heart of a star that lived and died long before our sun was even born. We are quite literally made of stardust. Isn't that incredible? Thanks so much for watching. If you found this as mind-blowing as I do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic journeys. See you next time.